How do you ensure maximum safety and continuity of service in an electrical system? It's easy. Choose ReStart. ReStart is more than a circuit breaker. It is a shield that protects your business, ensuring both continuity of service and safety of electrical systems day after day. For designers, maintainers and installers, we offer a full range of solutions for all applications in all contexts, ensuring non-stop energy flowing and steady efficiency. Total uptime production and safety at every stage. Uninterrupted connection, even in faraway places. Efficient workflow that optimizes productivity. Quick lighting return, the ideal solution for an always lit city. Decrease of maintenance time and cost saving, thanks to the Autotest function, which guarantees the right operation of the circuit breaker over time. Our top priority is the safety of people and goods. ReStart by Gewiss. Continuous safety everywhere.